Just thought we'd drop in and put together a quick market update because a lot of people are talking about real estate these days. This time it's not because prices are going crazy. In short, we've seen prices come down. That's largely because interest rates have gone up and gone up quickly. At the start of the year, you were looking at about an interest rate around 2.5%, and now rates are up over 5, and that's put a big damper on the market for sure. Because people, even though they're looking at a house that's $150,000 cheaper, it actually costs more because you're paying interest off to the bank. Um, we've seen a lot more listings come up. The number of properties that are selling hasn't changed that much, but we've just seen, listings being added to the market. For a while there, we were getting 100 sales a month and 100 new listings a month, and of course that kept things pretty tight. And now we're looking at 300 new listings in a month, and then 100 houses selling, which now creates a little bit more inventory, which takes a lot of the pressure off on the buying side. But again, now you've got a lot of buyers whose interest rates that they qualified at have gone up, so they now qualify for less money, and even though prices are down, they're still shopping for less house. Rental market is bananas in Guelph specifically, partly due to the university's lack of a strategic plan for uh, student housing. So we're seeing that felt through the rental market. If you've got an extra bedroom, you live in Guelph, we'll probably get you at least 900 a month for it. And it's great for investors because rates are going up, which puts pressure on cash flows. But with rents going up as fast as they have been, that's definitely helped too. We've seen similar increases on the non-student side as well. Not quite as sharply, but yeah, it's a good time to own real estate for rent. Um, Other than that, I mean, market stats, take them with a grain of salt because they're all, I don't know, based on a lot of weird numbers. You're looking at new listing activity, and of course, that also includes listings that decided to cancel and then relist at the same price or a different price. And so it's not always new houses on the market. And I mean, average sale price really depends on the types of homes that sold in that month, and it can be skewed greatly if you get a couple of $2.5 million houses selling or a whole bunch of one bedroom condos. That can have a big impact. Um, Include an article from Jeff Newman, who's the named broker at Coldwell Banker Newman Real Estate, which is where I work. Um, he's the reason I work at Coldwell. He's got a ton of experience in the industry on the sales side, but just in real estate in general. He owns a lot of real estate. He's developed and invested for a long time. He's been through other market crashes and cycles, and he's always got a really interesting perspective, and I lean on him a lot for advice. And he's still actively buying, selling his own stuff, and advising large developers on how to best play real estate. So I think it's an interesting read, and definitely some value to be added there. Anyways, if you want to dive deeper into any of this, just give me a call. And I hope you're having a good summer.